Some people on the internet ask, what is the max speed for Arduino, Unos, or anything of that nature, USB to RS-32 conversion speed? Well, the max conversion speed that I was able to get with the script that I've been running with the X-Plane stuff was 490 kilobytes per second, or this bit rate right here. This is what we typed in. Let's put it that way. Your typical bit rates are going to be right here. I had no problem with 115-200 baud, 230-400 bauds where I got it set right now. But I figure, hey, why not share this with people? You know, hey, what is the maximum transmission rate? Well, we're off the chart here. So, and this, we tried doing 576 kilobytes per second, but no, trust me, the max rate that it safely had no problem pushing data, or I should say receiving. The Arduino had no problem receiving data from a PC from a Python script. Was 490 kilobytes per second. So if you're wondering what is the maximum speed for an Arduino Uno, the one that I have, I'll let you know as far as other units, the Mega, the Do, the Leonardo, but I believe that 490 kilobytes per second is definitely the safest speed. I've had no problems with transmission rate going, or I should say communication between the PC and the Arduino. It seems to run just fine. So the speeds, RPMs, everything on the X-Plane stuff stay up to date. But yeah, no bueno here, didn't work. No problem right here. I drove it as far as I could, you know, before, you know, took a dive. So anything over 4 or, you know, 4 million bits per second. So anything under the 4 million bit mark, or yeah, 4 million bits, you know, 3916800, because that's the next step to take, you know, or 490 kilobytes per second. Worked great. So there you go. If you're wondering how fast an Arduino can go, there's your speed right there that I got with the script that I have. Links will be in the description. How's that? So if you have any questions, comments, let me know what your speeds were attained. But that's the fastest one I've attained so far, is speed going from Python straight to the support, right straight to the LCD. I'm having no problem pushing, you know, roughly 490 kilobytes per second to the display. So pretty cool, huh? Peace out. Hopefully this information will be useful for somebody out there on the internet. You never know, right?